Hey everyone, Splasher Cat's back, and it's obviously Animal Jam Play Wild that I'm doing right now. So if you want to have me as a buddy, wait a minute, where's my, there you go, there's one of my names down there, down here, wait a minute, great. Wait a minute, I just need to do something. Show touches, perfect. Right, so here's my part of my name here. But what's my, okay, I'm just kind of new to this, so do not rush me, hopefully. No, that didn't work. Well, anyway, my name is Splasher Cat on Animal Jam Play Wild. So, send me a request to be a buddy. I don't really care. And I could give away some of these plushies, or for a particular trade or something that I have. I don't know what you want. So, anyway, let's actually play a game. I was playing a few games, but not all of them. I had played Touchful Postmaster. I don't know what I'm playing right now. Okay, well, this is Postmaster. It's a new game, sorry. Oh my god. Juicy peeps. Here we go. Right. And then we do 20 this time, 20 things in there. Oops, I dropped it. You actually have to put it in there. No. No, I don't want to play again. Right. Right, carry on. I've been playing the claw and that's it. So, let's play best dressed for now and see who wins. I hope it's us. There we are. Ooh. Let's just practice. Sorry, it's just being a little bit silent there. That looks good, actually. That was just like the randomest thing ever. That just looks really weird. That too looks really weird. That looks weird. And that looks weird. I've got these flip-flops. Everybody does. Well, unless I trade it. Oh my god, when's the next round? I'm just not going to play this because it's taking too long. Taking too long. Taking too long. Right. I'm not sure what to do now. Let's see if I get one of the claw things. And you can on this. I'll tell you not and show you at the same time after this claw. So I will be giving some away. Yep. I've already got that one. Okay, I might be giving some of them away, so feel free to ask. One more time. So be free to ask. Feel free. Ugh. I don't have the bunny, so I'm not trading that one away. Unless you really want it. So, just remember to buddy up with me and I'll get something sorted. If all of you want one thing, well, there's gonna be one lucky person. Someone can inbox me something about it. I don't really mind. Let's go to the party. Yeah, everybody knows that. Every bird has hollow bones, so they can fly. Let's see what's in the shop. I've got some sapphires, but not a lot. I'm gonna get this. Perfect. Let's go back to my den. I only go to the parties for the items. I don't really do anything there because obviously I have no friends yet, because it's kind of obvious. I have no buddies and stuff. Come on. No, I need that rug. Oh my god. There he is. I'm gonna put it right here. Perfect. Right, there we go. I'm gonna play a little bit of touch pool. But yeah, everybody knows. Oh la la. I haven't seen this one, I don't think. Have I? I might have. Oh, I haven't got this one. Yeah, I got it. Only 2 more. I've already got the horseshoe crabs. It's just I need to get other things as well. There we go. 1 more. So let's see which one it is. Let's see if I've got this one. Yeah, I have. It's easy peeps. This one's a big one. Get it. Yes, I got it. Sorry, I'm just turning up the volume for me. Yes. Let's see what I got. Oh, that's so cute. I'm going to put it in my house. Right. Yeah, I'm just going to quit for now. Oh! What is it? What do I do? I don't get anything. I don't get that. Okay. Whatever. So yeah, it's Splasher Cat, no spaces. Just that, no caps, no nothing, just Splasher Cat. So remember to buddy me, and enjoy your day. Oh, wait. Bye.